Hi guys, NCWQ here. The date is 10/1/2023. Welcome to October. The time here is 9:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, I have y'all looking at EMSC, and I'm just looking at the earthquakes that have occurred in Puerto Rico for today. Now we're going to see down here is 9:30. Our earthquakes start here with a 2.8 in Puerto Rico for today, and continue up the page to a 2.1, which occurred 2 hours and 42 minutes ago. I have gone ahead and marked these into Google Earth, and as you can see, there is an ongoing swarm here, located in Bosque Atoll de Guanica, and the other one is down by Saida, or Central Aguirre Historic District. Anyways, I did a little bit of looking into what is causing these earthquakes to occur. And I'm going to tell you right now, this island was formed by a volcano, but there is no active volcano here. They are, however, at risk from earthquakes and tsunamis. The Puerto Rico Trench is located at a boundary between two plates that pass each other along the transform boundary with only small component of subduction. The Caribbean plate is moving to the east relative to the North American plate. The North American plate is being subducted by the Caribbean plate obliquely at the trench, while the southeast and South American plate is being more directly subducted along the Lesser Antilles subduction zone. The subduction zone explains the presence of active volcanoes over the southeastern part of the Caribbean Sea. Volcanic activity is frequent along the island arc southeast from Puerto Rico to the coast of South America. Puerto Rico, the United States Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, and Dominican Republic do not have active volcanoes. The Puerto Rico Trench has produced earthquakes greater than magnitude 8.0 and is considered capable of continuing to do so. The last great earthquake that occurred in this island, I believe, was in 1918. I'm going to see if I can find it. But I believe it was in 1918. I do know that it was in October. And let's see if I can find that. Yes, the last major earthquake occurred October 11th, 1918, with a magnitude of 7.5 on the Richter scale. It began off the coast of Aguadilla and was followed by a tsunami. One of the deepest places in all the Atlantic Ocean is located 100 miles off the northern coast of Puerto Rico. The Puerto Rican Trench is 1,090 miles long and about 60 miles wide. At its deepest point, the Puerto Rican Trench is 27,493 feet deep. Now, when we look out here, we can see this is the Oceanic Transform Fault. And if I can get it, that is the North American Caribbean fault boundary here, or plate boundary. You can see that this area here moves at 19 millimeters per year. And let's see, over here, there is a trench here. Let me see if I can show you this picture. So let's save this. There you go. All right, that is the Puerto Rican Trench right here. Mona Canyon here. This is Puerto Rico here. This is the Virgin Islands here. We're looking at it backwards right now. This is Hispaniola, the Antilles Arc. So you can see the North American plate is right here, which runs through this way. So this is the North American plate right here. which I had just pulled up a few minutes ago for you. So this is the trench right here. Hope that helps to show you what we were just looking at. And this part here, it says moves at 2 centimeters per year. Interesting, hey? Okay, so anyway, the island of Puerto Rico lies in a dynamically plate boundary zone between two tectonic plates, the North American plate and the northeast corner of the Caribbean plate. The region is very seismically active with an average of 5 earthquakes, including aftershocks. So let me show you something else. Okay, now let's do this for you. All right. The region is seismically active with an average of 5 earthquakes, including aftershocks with a magnitude greater 1.5, occurring near Puerto Rico every day during the past 12 months, March 2014 to March 2015. So that's back a few years. Although the vast majority of these earthquakes were too small to be felt by people, these earthquakes provided evidence that the North American plate is moving westward relative to the Caribbean plate at about 2 centimeters a year. The tectonic history of Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico itself is now an extinct volcanic island arc terrain, which started to grow approximately 190 million years ago. The island began life as an active volcano formed by melting of the mantle as the Pacific plate subducted below the west coast of South America at about the present-day latitude of Peru-Ecuador border. And then there is trenches, and I'm going to show you this. This figure shows the north-south section of Puerto Rico Trench drawn at the same scale as 3 other deep canyons to emphasize its enormous size. The Mona Canyon, which lies just to the south of Puerto Rico Trench. So this is the Mona Canyon here, the Puerto Rico Trench. The Gandaki Gorge. I don't see the Gandaki Gorge here. Um, in Nepal, one of the deepest gorges found on the continents and well known as the Grand Canyon of Arizona. Puerto Rico is bounded on the sides south of Murtos Trough, on the west by Monog Canyon, and on the east by the Virgin Islands Basin. The Murtos Trough is an elongated basin developed where the Earth's crust to the south of Puerto Rico is thrust under the Murtos Fold and Thrust Belt, which lies to the south of the island Mona Canyon. Is approximately north-south trending canyon, which is almost 30 kilometers across, formed by east-west rifting. Anyways, you guys, lastly, the Virgin Island Basin is an extensional basin which lies at the southwestern end of Nagata Trough, a feature that was explored in 2013, together with the Murtos Trough, the Mona Canyon, and the Virgin Islands Basin. A Nagata Trough and the Puerto Rico Trough define the margins of Puerto Rican Virgin Island microplate, a small coherent block trapped between the larger Caribbean and North American plates. During the course of, and I don't know, but anyway, there's more exploration that is going on Deep Discovery. So anyways, you can see this is Mona, Puerto Rico here. Anyways, you guys, just wanted to give a little bit of history as to the earthquakes that are occurring. They are not supposedly volcanic in any nature, and they're just the plates shifting and moving. So that is why there are so many earthquakes going on right now down here in Puerto Rico. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope y'all enjoy your Sunday. If you would like to help contribute to my channel, my PayPal is listed below the video. As of yesterday, I will no longer be posting links under my video for articles and whatnot, as YouTube decided to remove my link that I had posted so y'all could go and look at the information for yourselves. So, sorry, you guys, but I will do the best that I can. Anyways, you guys, much love. God bless. Remember to check out Emergency Management's channel in the evenings. He does great updates. Anyways, you guys, much love. God bless and have a great day.